Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for Variety Fun. So this is a New York based snack subscription and they have over 500 different snack brands. I am super excited. I really love boxes with food in them. So you can get this for your home or even office. So that's pretty cool. They have different size boxes. And there's also even like a fit box that has healthier snacks. So Jackson's here with me today. Do you want to come stand over here? Mm-hmm. And we're going to look in here and taste some of these snacks. The box is absolutely filled. So I'm going to go through, show them all, and then we will pick some to taste. So this first snack is Cherry Berry Crunch Dried Snacks. It has dried apples, cherry, blueberry, and strawberry. I like stuff like this, and even my, how old is she now? 15-month-old likes it. Jackson, I'm not sure if he'd eat that. I bet it's good.
You said you said like the ice cream place Cherry Berry.
Cherry Berry, yeah. It's similar, huh? Yeah. Except it's not ice cream, but same name.
Yep.
Then we have some popcorn.
Yum yum.
So I've had both these brands before and they're both really good. We have Skinny Pop. There's 100 calories in this bag. And this is from Angie's and this is 80 calories. This is sea salt and this is just the regular salt kind too.
I like that kind.
Angie's actually has really good, unique flavored like holiday popcorn, like gingerbread. Oh my god, it's so good.
Yum yum.
I've also had these before. They're really good. Popcorners, kettle corn, little chips. Yeah, very good.
That's really yummy.
And this is Squeaky Pops. Popped chickpea chips. I love the packaging. Super cute.
And super little.
Super little. They're little tiny. You could feel them. Little circles. This is calling my name because I love lime. These are Bonitos. I haven't had this flavor, but their chips are pretty good.
Calling your name.
It is calling my name. Yum, yum. Next we have Pop Chips. Zesty Jalapeno Cheddar. I already know these are probably going to be good. I recently had a Buffalo Ranch flavor and oh man, they were really good. So I do like this brand. Also a fan favorite, veggie straws. Love these.
My favorite.
Yeah, Jackson will eat these, but he won't actually eat vegetables. But there's a lot of like vegetable powder in it, so those are pretty good. And they're very crunchy too, just like chips. Then we have Kettle brand potato chips, backyard barbecue. These are a favorite of mine. I love pretty much all chips, but really love Kettle chips and barbecue.
I like that chips.
Probably. You pretty much are pretty easy going with chips.
Yeah.
I have not tried these, but this is also by Popcorners, and it's called Flourish. These are Veggie Crisps. They're lightly salted, greens and beans with yellow corn, peas, and yellow peas.
I'm going to pick the next one. Cookie.
Oh yeah, you see the cookie? Oh, that's a Quest cookie. Okay, let's get through this first. These I haven't had. I actually don't like peas. It's the only vegetable I don't like. But I bet in a chip it would be different. I bet that would be pretty good. So we'll take a look at this since Jackson spotted it. A Quest protein cookie, chocolate chip flavored. 15 grams of protein, less than 1 gram of sugar, and 9 grams of fiber. Soft and chewy, and yeah, you can definitely tell it is soft.
I love it.
Yeah, we like Quest products, so.
To me.
Well, you don't get a protein one. There's other cookies in here, though. We might give that to Dad. He likes it.
Yeah, he loves protein.
Ooh, I see it. We're getting to some Jackson snacks here. Yeah, so these are really good. These are cookie thins, and these are the vanilla ones.
Ooh, I love them.
We've had chocolate chip ones before. They're really good.
Yeah, we really did.
Next, we have organic chickpea puffs. Vegan white cheddar. I know Raylan will enjoy these. They're nice, soft, puffy, organic. Nice little healthier snack. Then we have Protein Crisps Brick Oven Pizza. These I actually got in a box before, but I don't think I ever got to try them because the kids ate them. Alright, so these I thought Jackson would spy, but he didn't. Smart Sweets Gummy Bears.
Yum.
Ooh, these are sour ones too.
Ooh, I love sour stuff.
Kick sugar, keep candy. So there's less sugar in here. It says they're high in fiber. What? That's pretty cool. They put prebiotic soluble fiber in here. Huh. Alright. Yum.
Yum, yum. What do you call that size?
Organic bunny grams. These are the honey flavored. This is a good size too. I might put that in Jackson's little snack bag for tomorrow for school. So those are organic. Annie's brand.
My favorite.
Yep. We love these. So I have put this over my coffee. You're supposed to sit on top of your like coffee or hot tea and it warms it up and then it's real soft. But we like eating them just like this. And we bought some mini ones that were real tiny and we devoured those. So this is one waffle, caramel in the middle. If you haven't tried these are yummy. Love them, love them, love them.
I'm gonna eat them.
Next we have, dang, these are coconut chips. I used to buy these a lot, but I haven't in a while. But these are pretty good. They're sliced and toasted. 120 calories for that bag. What are these? Apple Veggie Fruit Sticks by Nature's Bandit. They are organic, all natural, gluten-free, and vegan. I have not had these.
Probably for my sister.
Yeah. You want to try one? Let's try one on camera. So let's take a look. We're blowing through the box. We haven't tried anything yet. So those are really soft.
Those look like tiny chocolates.
Tiny chocolates?
Do they taste like chocolate?
Want to try it?
I guess.
So I thought those were pretty good. Really soft. And it is made from apple and carrot puree. So that's where the veggie's coming from. I love that because, like I said, Jackson doesn't like vegetables. So I have to get like fruit and veggie pouches and stuff where they sneak in vegetables, even if it's a tiny amount. I feel better about the situation. So these are pomegranate flavored pistachios and they're glazed. That looks really yummy. Delicious. Bada bing, bada boom. That's cute. Sweet, sriracha, crunchy, broad beans, 100 calories. You kind of see what they look like in there. But those are nice and spicy. Then we have some granola bars here at the end. We have Nature's Bakery Fig Bar and Raspberry. Real fruit and whole grains. We have a Cliff Bar. Crunchy peanut butter. I don't know that I've had a Cliff Bar. He gets like the kid ones, but I don't know that I've personally had one. If I had, it's been a while. So definitely interested in trying that. Gluten-free bar. This is peanut butter, 12 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber. That's cute. I like the packaging. It's got a little bear on it.
I see that. Let's see what that is.
Ooh, oh, this is my name all over it. I've been in a black olive fit for a while. I don't know why, but these are flavored ones. Chili and garlic. This makes me very happy. I looked at some of the flavored ones. I'm like, gosh, they're so expensive, and I didn't end up getting them. So I'm super pumped for this. Love garlic and chili.
Nice by the yellow box.
Yes, this is chickpeas again. These are honey roasted. 6 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber. We have a couple more things here, Jackson, then I'll let you pick something to try before dinner. Grass-fed beef stick by Chomps. Haven't had that brand, but it looks good.
Yeah.
Next, we have an RX bar. This contains 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, and no BS. And this is a chocolate sea salt flavor.
I see that.
Yeah, Kind Bar.
Kind bar.
I used to eat a lot of these when I was pregnant. So this is a Kind Bar. Dark chocolate cherry cashew plus antioxidants. It has vitamins A and C in it and gluten-free. And the last one, IQ Bar, Brain Plus Body. Ooh, lemon blueberry. Bet that's really good. Plant protein, I eat a lot of that. 2 grams of natural sugar, only 4 net carbs. So that's pretty cool. Is there anything you want to try, Jackson? You already know what the Stroop waffle tastes like, silly.
I would.
Let's try one of these sour gummies. We're getting ready to eat dinner, but we're going to go ahead and try these sour gummies. Interesting, because there's not much sugar in them. Oh, okay, and they are like dusted. Ooh, they're very soft.
Ooh.
Some gummies are just like too chewy or too hard.